I'm taking a look back at the most searched for recipes on Google in 2022, and at number 9, the Bella Hadid Sandwich. Did Bella Hadid add mayo to my Italian sub? I think so. I love an Italian sub sandwich, whether it's here in my local Pittsburgh area at a pizza shop or maybe a bar menu, or even at home, which I've made them many, many times. So when I came across Bella Hadid's sandwich that she made during a summer picnic last year, I noticed a couple of things that I really wanted to try. What makes Bella's sandwich so unique is this basil mayonnaise, or aioli, and it just is a combination of mayo, some Dijon mustard, a little bit of dried basil, as well as a touch of dried granulated garlic. Of course, you could use fresh basil and fresh garlic if you wanted to, but I think it's great. The other key topping here that I would normally just do on the sandwich is a traditional sort of vinaigrette. So it's olive oil, a little red or white wine vinegar, some more of the basil, some oregano for sure. I love a good dash of crushed red pepper flakes. And then what actually emulsifies this, and this is what Bella does, a little bit of balsamic glaze or drizzle, and then whisk it all together. Okay, let's review everything else that's going on or in this sandwich. A traditional Italian sub that I know here in the Pittsburgh area always has ham, capicola, and salami. When I make them at home, I usually make them with turkey breast the way that Bella did, but I do think you need a cured meat such as pepperoni or salami. I also have capicola, so I'm using all of these today. And then provolone is traditional. This is some smoked provolone, and I particularly love it because I'm going to put my sandwiches in the toaster oven to melt the cheese and toast the bread. So delicious. As for the bread, I'm using some ciabatta rolls today. I love the outer crustiness and the soft middle. You could use a longer hoagie style roll if you wanted. For veggies, I'm going with a little white onion, some shredded lettuce and tomato, and topping it with some pepperoncinis, which gives it that nice sharp bite. And then of course the basil aioli and the vinaigrette we made earlier. So good. All right, time to assemble our sandwiches. I'm going to start with a little of our basil mayo on the base of each sandwich on the bottom side of the bun. Follow that up with your turkey breast. Make sure you pile it high and make sure it has some folds to it. You don't want a dense sandwich, so it might be okay to tear up a piece and just get that nice mounded, beautiful look. Okay, I think I'm going to go through with a couple slices of the pepperoni. I know that Bella used salami on hers, so we're definitely putting that on. And then just because I have it, why not a little slice of spicy capicola. Then follow that up with a nice slice of our smoked provolone cheese. So good. Okay, these guys are going off to the toaster oven. I think I'll give our tomatoes a little pinch of salt while we're waiting. Lovely. Oh, come here, my little toasties. These look so good. Not too hot. All the cheese is melted, so good. I'm going to start with our onion on the side that has all the melted cheese. Go and hit up with a little bit of our tomato, see if they'll stay on there. Let's work on our top side of the bun. A nice amount of our pickled pepperoncinis. Oh, I love these guys. Some handfuls of our shredded lettuce. It's almost like eating salad on our sub here, or our sandwich, which I really just appreciate. And now just basically dress the lettuce. All right, try and bring these guys together. Sound effects needed. Okay, that is amazing. The Bella Hadid sandwich. It sounded so good, I made two. Okay, time to dig in. Here goes. All the familiar flavors, but that mayo adds a richness. That's so good. I think I'm putting mayo in my beard. The Bella Hadid sandwich. If it's good enough for supermodels, it's good enough for me. I'm gonna totally destroy this. 3, 2, 1. And then just give it a Is it bad I didn't know who Bella Hadid was? Don't say that. You're so vintage.